You will need a wreath oasis base or moss or rattan base, foliage, pine cones or dried fruit and wire. When collecting foliage from your garden or on walks, try using different textures and colours. If using an oasis base, soak this before you start. Cut foliage into smaller pieces to make them easier to use. Use bushy pieces around the edge to give your wreath some shape and volume. Cut coarser pieces and lay them on the front of your wreath. Bend foliage into the shape of your wreath to hide the base. You can bend wire in half like a hairpin to fix foliage to your wreath base. Add finishing touches such as holly and berries. To secure ornaments, dried fruit or cinnamon sticks to your wreath, loop wire through and around them, twist it together and push it into the oasis. This can then be hung on your door using a ribbon, wire or a hanger.